Hey guys, one minute here. How you all doing? And in this video, I'm going to give you one of the biggest life updates that I have done, and the life change that I have done is now having an iOS device as my secondary device actually, but still it is in my portfolio now. I have never used an iPhone. I have never used an iOS device in my life, so this is going to be a very new experience. And guys, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to the channel so that I can bring you more such videos. It really motivates me to do different kind of things and get new information and knowledge to you guys. So yeah guys, without further ado, let's begin. A disclaimer, I have already unboxed this device and used it as my phone for like 2-3 days. I was really excited and I was not able to do the unboxing because frankly there is nothing in the unboxing experience this time. This is the most boring unboxing experience you would see. So just I am imitating what is there. So this is the box. As you can see, it's a blue iPhone 13. We have the blue metallic blue iPhone accent written over here, and also the logo in this color. It looks really cool. That's about it. It's a very thin box which tells you there is no charger in the box. On the back you can see there are some information. This is the iPhone 13 designed by Apple, assembled in California. This is the inbox content. As you can see, there is no charger in the box, so there's no point talking about it. And this is it, iPhone 13 blue, 256 gigabytes. So let's just unbox the device. Yeah, so this is what you will get in the box, guys. There will be a white sticker over here to pull this up, but since I've already taken it out, I'll just remove it and keep it to the side over here just for the timing. I was not able to keep the cable back in. It's a very difficult process apparently, but this is the cable that you get in the box, which is the type C to lightning cable. Here you have some paperwork. So you get the SIM ejector tool and the Apple sticker. So yeah guys, this was all that I can do in this unboxing. So this is the reason I did not do it live when the box was completely packed. There was nothing to unbox frankly. So I also needed to get the charger, the 20-watt charger for this. This phone supports 25-watt charging. So this was a 20-watt charger that comes, and the price of this is 1900 rupees. So this is the roughly the size of the charger, and you only get the charger in this adapter. Only the adapter which is there you get in the box. When you purchase the adapter, there is no cable, so cable comes with the phone, and the adapter you have to buy separately. It's a different experience, guys, coming from Android where you are used to getting charger. Even you get cases in many phones. Getting just an adapter without a wire is just being too dependent on Apple for all the other things, so you continuously need to buy something or the other. So yeah, that's about it. And for reference, this is the S22 Ultra charger. This is the 45-watt charger. Just look at the size of this thing. This is massive and kind of tells you where the charging technology have gone for other companies. I don't know when Apple will do it. So yeah, this is the new blue color, guys. It looks really pretty, I have to say. It's a very thin phone, 6.1 inches. Very easy to hold. As you can see, it's very easy to reach any corner of the device. We have this diagonal cameras now, which in the iPhone 12 were actually placed one below the other. So the change actually was made in order to accommodate the larger sensor. So if you look at any iPhone 12, the sensor size is smaller, this is bigger, in order to take better cameras, better photos, which is really cool. The Apple logo is shiny. The entire back is glossy. This is first time I have using it without the case as well, because guys, this is the first phone in my entire life that I feel is comfortable with a case rather than using it just naked, because it's so small and so tiny for my hand that it is just getting difficult for me to operate this device. It is too tiny, so with a case it gives better grip and probably the kind of thickness that I need in order to get a better hold of the device. So this is it. So looking around the device, over here on the bottom we have the lightning port. I don't know when Apple will change it to USB type C. It was expected in this iPhone, it didn't happen. There are speaker grills. There is an antenna over here. This is a aluminium rim which is there. It looks very premium. I would say it looks very premium than the stainless steel which is present on the Pro and Pro Max series. It's metallic and it's matte finish. It looks really cool. There's a power button on this side. It's pretty big. It's very clicky. Another antenna on top. There's nothing, and on the left over here we have the alert slider for vibrate, silent and the ringing mode, and we have the volume rockers. Here we can put in SIM, so there is a support for a single SIM and an eSIM. So this is the front of the device, guys. There is a tempered glass that I have installed, but this is the exactly will tell you without opening the phone that this is the size of the notch this time. So yeah, as you can see over here, this is a notch in the front, and this is the device, how it looks from the front. So you know, being used to Android device for so many years, this kind of form factor and this kind of screen real estate, it's really different for me. Having this kind of a notch on the top, it does kind of hinder your performance for some time, but I would say it is still okay. When you use the device, you kind of get used to the kind of form factor and whatever the screen real estate is there on the device. This is how naturally our brain works, so it is fine. This is basically the experience. I have many apps installed over here already. I have been using this device for some time. It's a steep learning curve, guys. So the purpose of this video was to ask you guys what you want me to record further from this device. So whatever is your requirement, basis that I'll be making videos. So since I am an Android user, a very avid Android user since my childhood, this is my first shift to iOS, and this is going to be my secondary device. So iPhone is still going to be Samsung S22 Ultra is still going to be my primary device, but still I would want you to tell me what do you want me to make, and what is it that you require from this video, further videos from iOS device. So just for the reference, I'll tell you this is currently running on the iOS 15.4.1. this is the latest update. 15.5 beta is running around. You might get iPhone 16 in June when there is a WWDC for Apple. So that is another thing which is there. So yeah, guys, this is more overall the short review or the short hands-on with this iPhone. This is a 6.1-inch display, guys. Very tiny, very compact, very easy to hold in hand. This again, there is a biometric system which is present for face unlock right on the top, which now supports masks. So even with mask you can actually unlock the device. It was expected to come way before now, but considering the scenario, at least in India, masks are not compulsory now. So this, I would say, this is a little late, and let's hope that there is no other wave coming in. So yeah, guys, this was the experience, a very initial experience of this device. I would want you to tell me what I should make on this device so that your questions are answered. Apart from that, just from the experience, it is a premium phone, guys. There is no two ways about it. Even though it's small, even though it's tiny, I thought this is too tiny for me, but it's very comfortable, especially since it's my secondary phone. My primary phone is quite big, so this is really helping me to get easy maneuvering and all. I'm still getting used to the iOS. There are a lot many features which I still am exploring, but definitely right off the box, this is a new experience. This is a different experience, and surprisingly, it's a positive experience for me still. So yeah, this is it. Apart from this, what new is there is this camera layout. I will definitely test this camera, and I will test this camera with S22 Ultra. So I probably think this is going to be a very neck and neck competition. I would want your candid response to it as well. Probably I'll make a camera review if you guys want it, and apart from that, I will make a general review of this device, how the battery life is, how the display is, what is the difference. Especially this is a 60 Hz display, so I'm using 120 Hz display on the other device, and this is a 60 Hz, so does it make a difference? All those things will be answered in my next video. So depending on what you guys want, the video will be in place. So yeah, guys, this was the update I wanted you guys to be aware about. I have shifted to iPhone, my very first iPhone in my life, and probably not the last one. I don't know, I'll see how it goes. So yeah, guys, this was the video from my end. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. This means a lot to me, and do let me know what you want in the comments below. Do tell me if you want me to make a video of how difficult or how easy it is to switch from Android to iOS, what are the challenges, what are the bugs that you kind of face, and what is something which you cannot tolerate, or what is something that is really positive and you wish that it was in there in Android. If you want this, I'll make the video next. So this all upon you guys. You write in the comments and I'll make it happen. So yeah guys, this was the video. I hope all of you are safe and doing well. So I'll see you in my next video guys. Peace.